Like and subscribe.
Exactly. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Good job, guys. Alex, you're a fish killer today. How many you got?
Yeah, second one, man. Bluefin Tuna on 20-pound test. Fun stuff.
If you don't get a fast swimmer, this is how fast you should replace your bait.
Can you see that cat?
Yes, sir. All right, we got Alex back here in the corner.
Good job, man.
Good job, Alex.
Go all the way up, go fast. You get one yet?
No.
Not yet.
You got yours, though. I saw it. I got it on camera. Please.
You like that, subscribe now.
Yeah, thank you. I like that a lot. Nobody else has ever done that. Ever.
Nice line.
Alex, what's taking so long, man?
Bro, I wish I had a 2-speed right about now.
You got nowhere better to be, buddy. Nowhere better to be.
Check it that.
It's always the guys without a fish on the line going, what's taking so long? Wine. Just saying.
You're absolutely right, but I was just kidding. You got him, Alex. He's almost done.
I think that drag started. Which one? It's a totally, I know. Yeah. Well,
you know, one of my best videos ever was a failure of a fathom.
Yeah.
You know, so.
Check this out. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Really
The drag on Alex's reel is just about to fail. He handed the rod to Matt, and look how easily Matt was able to pull line out. Obviously it has the tension of the tuna, but that reel and drag system is just about done.
Alex, you're doing great, man.
Trying here, man.
So, Mike, is that drag starting to fail?
I think so. Watch your line, man.
One more time around.
Watch that line.
Good stick, Mikhail.
Nice. Good game, one, dude. Good game, Chief. Good game.
What a great fish, Alex.
Nice one, man.
Nice fish, buddy.
Appreciate it, boss. No problem. He did. He did. On 20-pound.
Alex, great fish, man. Good job.
That was a mean one, dude.
Yeah, that was. Took a while, huh?
Yeah, it did. Wow, he was gut hooked too.
Yeah.
On 20-pound, that's pretty crazy. Yeah. Can't believe that held up on that long of a fight too. Yeah.
right, man. Good job, Alec.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Tell me about that thing.
Just freaking takes, doesn't give. You know?
So what reel were you fishing?
This is the third season I'm fishing that Orium 16. Never had that problem.
Well, you never had it rebuilt either, did you?
Yeah, no, I gotta get either maintenance or get a new reel. Probably a new reel.
Probably just maintenance. Probably just needs drag washers. It'll be fine.
Might be it. Definitely got to do something about that.
But I landed a 40-pound fish on 20-pound test. Good job, man.
That's true.
That makes you the king of the boat today.
You got the biggest one too, earlier.
I know. I don't know. What are you doing different?
It's his birthday. That's what it is. It's probably it.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Okay, we've got a really fast swimmer headed out there. Give him about 30 seconds, see what happens.
I don't know which one has the hook.
Top one right here, stuff getting frisky up high. Oh, fisher guys.
Slow down,
Take him out.
slow down,
Over and over and over again. Work for those bites. If you're waiting for it, you're going to keep waiting. It never comes.
Go. Fresh one. 3 hanging, guys.
Mine just got hit.
Right on the bow.
Wow, he's still on there.
Oh! Fresh one! 2 new ones! Let him run! Bow! Bow! Bow!
Is this your second one or third one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Good job today, man. You're putting on a clinic. Fly line?
Yep.
Good job.
Boil.
Getting close to Jeff up here or good?
No, he's way down there.
All right.
Still.
Want to go to the other side?
Yeah. Back and forth.
Coming under you, man.
Hey, man, we don't got all day. Come on.
I know. This might be your best fish of the day. What do you think? No, because this rod is fucking, it's like a bass rod, man.
It is a bass rod.
No, right now it's a bluefin tuna rod.
No, it's fucking not. It's still a bass rod.
It's still a bass rod.
Leave it home next time. All you gotta do is just put 25 pounds in on a tuna rod, and then you have a tuna rod. You don't have to drop down and tackle to drop down the line class. Biggest mistake you can ever make.
Actually, this is rated for a muskie.
Yeah, exactly. Not a bluefin tuna.
Let's see.
Yes, I had help.
Good job. You're supposed to have help. It's a bluefin tuna. Oh, shit. Yes, I missed him. Waiting all day for that bite. And I lost my hook.
I could not get bit on my 30-pound rig, so I moved down to 20.
That was that 20
got the
pound
bite.
fluoro, huh?
Yeah. You got another hook?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Your model, 15 pounders looks like. But there's
Trying to work for that
1,036 pounders.
We got a couple tangles.
I think I'm on.
It's alright. It's alright.
I'm coming under you.
As you can see, if you don't panic and you follow the fish, it's very easy to get untangled.
All right, we got one coming in tail hooked here. At least tail wrap. Good job, buddy. You got him.
Yay! On through the eyeball. There you go, man. Want a picture with him? Yeah. Yo, see you in the video.
Yeah, it'll be in the video. Good job, buddy.
Hurry up, you're getting heavy.
Good job, buddy.
He didn't even bite the hook. Yeah.
I know.
Around the tail.
Hey, any way you get him, you get him. I wish I had one wrapped around the tail today.
So hard to fight.
How long you been on, man?
20.
Good. He's still stretched out there pretty far.
Yeah.
You're gonna get him though.
He's about 100 feet away from me.
100 feet?
Yep.
Hope you get him.
Right next to the boat, guys.
And right out here.
He's still fucking around right here. Why am I not bait right here?
Fighter!
Crashwood!
There you go. There you go.
Long.
On the pinky. Coming after you, huh? Oh, he's pissed off.
Yeah.
Go back and watch this bite. You see my bait dangle in front of the camera. I drop it in the water, and then I get the bite almost immediately. That's why they say, do not walk your bait very long. Change them often.
Coming through, coming through. Coming through. Over the top. Over the top. Finally hooked up.
Come on up. Yes, sir. Step right up.
Now, Mikhail, on my Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
Oh, it was Mikhail that.
Which Matt?
I'm the other one.
Oh, that's right.
He,
I forgot there's two of us up here.
so anyways, no. I didn't put him on full strike yet. And he ran a shit pile full of line, but I didn't want to touch
Oh,
it.
you're good. If he's coming this way, we're all good. Where's that other fish? No. Never mind. No, not yet. Give me a second. Nice.
All right, hooked up together, buddy.
There's that other one. There he is.
I'm in between 3 people with fish.
Yeah, that's not good.
Well, we're
I'm under you.
Where's mine?
There's an uncommon in on there.
go on, buddy.
Yeah, we're good. We're having a great time. I got 3 people doing a tuna tango. Hell yeah. One more back here. Perfect.
And we're good at the tuna tango up
We're
here.
doing the tango.
We're doing all the right steps. Man, my fish is way out there.
We're gonna switch with. Oh, perfect. There we go. And then you're gonna switch with him as well.
Again?
He's up and down, and you guys are up and down. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just one big happy.
Beautiful.
It'd be so much quicker if I had 40-pound leader.
I know.
Fat!
Oh, look at this guy. It's just screaming that reel. Coming under, coming around.
I got 3 and one of the same. 4 hanging. I got them all right here. Family over there.
Here's another one hip up here in the front.
4 hanging. Oh, I'm having a good time up here.
I'll kill one.
You let me. Hey, Steve. Photo shoot on this one. you're wrapped on this fish. Come over here. Come over here. Wind yours up. You're I got. Slide all the way back. Start sliding back. All the way back.
Okay. Hey, come on.
Cool. And that's it.
Don't drop in there, buddy, please. Excuse me.
And the little rod, real.
Well, that's how I got him.
There you go. Get that in.
Look at those tail beats going there. This fish is fighting for its life. I got him on a 20-pound rig. Thanks. Wow, Russ, I finally got one.
That's exciting.
No secret, just change the bait. Oh, come on. It's coming. There's my leader. I don't know how long the leader is on this rod, but we're getting there.
Poker thing?
Not yet. Come on. We got color here. We got color.
Come down with it?
Yeah, but that guy's right in the way there, though.
You don't want to get in the front.
I don't want to get in that guy either.
No, don't worry about him.
One more time. All right, there he is. Woo!
There you go.
Cousin Jim on the board. About a 43, 45 pounder. This one is fat. Look at that. Circle hook right in the corner of the mouth. Exactly how it's supposed to be. Here, hold him up next to me if you don't mind, so I can get a good thumbnail. Right in the corner of the mouth.